stops them from growing. To figure this out, the group 1 students planted mango seeds into 3 similar pots and gave them different amounts of caffeine. They watched the plants closely for several days, checking how tall they grew and how healthy they looked. When the plants give a little bit of caffeine, they grew better and looked healthier. But when they gave them too much caffeine, they did not grow well. In simple terms, caffeine can be like a good friend to plants, helping them grow a bit. But if they are given too much, it is not so good for them. This is important to know for people who take care of plants and want to make sure they